Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. And to this video we're going to talk about how to enable reviews and rating on your Facebook page. So let's get started. Well, after getting the application, go to your Facebook page. Now click in the three line at the top right here. Scroll down and choose settings and privacy. Settings. Scroll down again and from here choose this option, page and tagging. As you can see here, allow other to view and leave review on your page, but you should know that review are public, influence your rating and cannot be deleted. Anyway, turn on this option here. And now if we go back and we go to our profile, scroll down, you can see this option here, and anyone can rate your page.